In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make aim macro in Bluestacks 5. We'll walk through recording a simple macro for aim movements and show you how to trigger it with a quick shortcut. Use this responsibly and only in games or apps where automation is allowed. Start by launching Bluestacks 5, then open the game you want to use. It helps to load into a safe practice area or training range so you can record clean movements without interruptions. Next, open the Macro Manager. You can click the macro recorder icon on the right sidebar or press Ctrl plus Shift plus 7 on your keyboard. When the macro manager appears, you're ready to record your first macro. Click Record New Macro and then perform the exact mouse movements and clicks you want to automate. Think of this like capturing a short routine, a smooth aim adjustment, a controlled drag motion, or a quick tap sequence. Keep your hand steady and deliberate. Smoother input usually produces better playback. When you're done, click Stop to finish recording. Now save your macro. Give it a clear, memorable name so you can find it later, for example, Aim Practice, and click Save. With it saved, assign a shortcut so you can run it instantly. In the Macro Manager, click the Settings gear next to your macro. Choose a shortcut key such as F2 or a mouse button and save your changes. Pick something you won't press accidentally during normal play. To run the macro, return to your game and press the shortcut you assigned. The recorded movements will replay automatically exactly as you perform them. If the timing feels off, you can fine-tune it without re-recording. Open Macro Manager again, enter the macro settings and adjust playback speed, loop count, and delay timing. Slowing the speed can make motion appear smoother, loop count controls how many times it repeats, and delay timing helps space out actions so they don't stack too quickly. If something doesn't feel right, here are quick fixes. If the macro isn't replaying correctly, try re-recording more slowly and avoid sudden, jerky mouse movements. If your mouse aim feels inaccurate, lower the in-game sensitivity and record shorter, more precise motions. If the macro stops unexpectedly, close background overlays or apps that might steal focus, and keep Bluestacks as the active window while the macro runs. That's it. With a clean recording, a sensible shortcut, and a little fine-tuning, you'll have a reliable aim macro ready for allowed practice scenarios in Bluestacks 5.